Children, welcome to English class. Children, we are in block 19, making predictions. Lesson number 4 is homophones. Keywords are heard, heard, tail, tail, no, no, neat, neat, homophone. Homophone means same sound words but with different spelling and meaning. Children, today we have seen our keywords. What special do we have in our keywords, children? Heard, heard. Tail, tail. No, no. Knit, knit. Homophone. Okay, this homophone you leave it. Heard, heard. Okay, teacher is repeating the same words. Yes, yes. These are called homophones, children. Homophones are the words with same sound but they have different spelling. For example, let us take heard and heard. If we take these two words, children, so you can see here letter A is there. Here A letter is not there. If we remove the letter A, so the spelling is different and meaning is also different, children. Heard means I heard someone crying, like that we use in the sentence. And what this heard means? Group of animals, children. H-E-R-D means group of animals is called herd. Herd of sheep, herd of cows, like that we will use this word. Okay, this is same sound but different spelling we are having and different meaning we are having. Those words are called homophones. Okay, children. Now let us take tail and tail. This tail means what? Fairy tale. You will read some stories, no? Those are called fairy tales. Tales. Okay, duck tales. Those are the stories. T-A-L-E. Now, T-A-I-L means what? Tail. All the animals will have a tail, no children? Yes. So, tail and tail. Okay, sound same but meaning and spellings are different. No, no. Okay. And oh no. You want food? No, I don't want. Okay, this meaning is no. I don't want. No. This is, you know, tomorrow is a holiday. You know. Okay, children, you have the information. Tomorrow is a holiday. You know. Like that we will use in the sentence. Okay, children, these are called homophones. Okay, homophones means same sound words but with different spellings and meaning. For example, 8, number 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Okay, children. And then eat. What is the past tense of eat? 8, A-T-E. 8 and 8 are same, homophones but different meaning. 8 is a number, E-I-G-H-T is a number. Okay, A-T-E means past tense of eat. Did you you ate food, like that we will ask, no children? Okay, those two are also homophones. There are many homophones. Okay, for this lesson, this much is enough for you. Please understand this. Okay, video 2 to 3 times. You will understand better, children. Okay, children. Homophones means same sound words but with different spelling and meaning. And one more thing I want to explain you. Yes, children. Now the word left has two different meanings. For example, to my left is the hospital. Second sentence, there is no food left. Left we are showing here direction and here no food is there. No food is left. Okay, left is having two different meaning but spelling is same. These type of words are called homonyme. Okay, children, in our lesson we have homophones. They have concentrated more on homophones and they have given little information about homonyme. So I am explaining you homonyme also, children. Just keep in your mind that same spelling words, okay, but different meaning is called homonyme. Homophones are the words with different spelling and different meaning. Till here clear, children? Yes, children. Now all of you all open your workbook, page number 18, children. Write the date as for homophones. Match the homophones. Yes, children, here they have given us some words. We have to see the words and we have to match the correct homophone. Okay. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8, they have already matched. Okay. S-E-E-C. C means, children, we will see, no? We will see to each other. Okay. C. So, C homophone. Correct homophone is what? S-E-A. C. Sea means a large body of water is called sea. Okay, sea. So we have to match like this. C and SEEC. TAIL, tail. Tail, and here we'll see TALE, tail. These two are homophones. We have to match tail and tail. Okay. Homophones are what, children? Same sound words but with different spelling and different meaning. Okay. Here, one. O-N-E, one. W-O-N, one. One means number, children. Number one. One means they have won the match. Okay. So like this you have to match the homophones. Now, K-N-E-A-D, need. And N-E-E-D, need, children. These two are homophones. Yes, children. Now, need meaning is, children, your mummy will cook chapatis. Before cooking chapatis, what she has to do? She has to take the wheat flour and she has to knead. Yes, children, knead. That is called knead. Okay, and this is need. When you need something, children, need. I need a pencil. You will say, no, children, mummy, I need food. That need is different and this need is different. Mummy will need the wheat flour for chapatis. Dough will say, no, children, dough. Okay, these two you have to match. Fine. Okay. 8, C, tail, 1, need. Okay, children. Fine. Till here clear, children. Now let us come to the second question. Fill in the blanks using the matched pairs. A dash has brown dash. A hare has brown hair. Here we have two different hare. H-A-R-E is a rabbit. Okay, children. H-A-R-E, hare. Hare and tortoise story we are having. Okay. So this hare we have to write in the first blank. A hare has brown hair. Hair means on that body fur will be there, hair will be there. We too have hair on our head, no, children? Two different meanings. Like that you have to write H-A-R-E here, H-A-I-R. Now, children, see here. A hare has brown hair. These two we have to write correctly in the blanks, children. If you write a hare has brown hair, wrong. The sentence will be wrong, children. Now, B bit. Here we have homophones. Sun and sun. S-O-N means once sun means beta, children. Okay. In Hindi you will understand better. That's why I'm telling you. Sun means every morning the sun we will see, no, in the sky. That sun. S-U-N, sun meaning is that. Okay. My brother's son loves to draw the sun. A little bit tricky, children. If you watch the video 2-3 times, you will understand it. Don't worry. Okay. Watch the video 2-3 times. You will understand better. Now here I will write S-O-N. S-O-N. My brother's son loves to draw sun. S-U-N, sun. Clear? Now see bit. A sailor went to dash the shark in the deep blue dash. Now a sailor went to see. Okay, he went to see the shark. Watch the shark. See the shark. Okay. In the deep blue, what? In the deep blue, sea. S-E-A, S-E-A. Sea means large water body, children. Okay, D bit. I dash flour to dash the dough. Okay. I need flour to knit the dough. Just now I have explained, in this homophones matching. Yes, we have to write I need, I-N-E-D, need. I want flour to knit the dough. K-N-E-A-D, knit. Okay, for chapatis we need flour for to make rotis or chapatis. For that, before making rotis and chapatis, what you have to do? You have to make dough. How you make dough? You have to knit the flour. Knead. Okay, knead. Now, children, let us go to the third bit. Third bit, I will first explain you, then I will write the answers, children. Make sentences. No, N-O, no. week, week. Week means what, children? Here, W-E-A-K. W-E-A-K. Weak means when someone is weak. When you will not eat food, what you will become? You will become weak. Yes, children? Fine. And this week means what? W-E-E-K. Week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. From Sunday to Saturday we call week. Okay, weekdays. With this we have to make sentence. Children, I have written the sentences with I know the way to my classroom. Okay, no. Underline the word no. K-N-O-W. No. Beep it. No. N-O. No means no. I don't want to watch the show. You have to underline the word no. Now week. She looked very weak. Week. We go to school 5 days a week. Yes, children, all of you all open your classwork book, children. You have to write keywords, meanings, make sentence. After that, this question you have to write, what is a folktale, children? A very old traditional story that has been passed down from one generation to another in a spoken form. Okay, children, this answer you have to write. Okay, children, write your workbook neatly. Complete your classwork. Okay, watch the YouTube videos. If you are not understanding, watch it again so you will understand better. Do your homeworks. What all homework teacher is giving? All the second class children, all the subjects, Hindi, Telugu, English, EVS, Maths, all should do everything. Keep your books up to date, complete till what teacher has taught you. Okay, children, fine. Meet you in the next class. Have a nice day.